Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this limited item. This is the last day to claim it, so do this right now. You'll get this super cute exclusive item on Dress to Impress. So you're going to go to the Winter Town and you're going to go to chapter 2. I suggest you doing everything first before doing this, which was what I did. So to get this item, you're going to go to the reindeer race and you're going to get the token. So let me just wait for this to load a little. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. So it's going to be at the halfway point, like the token to claim the limited item. Again, this is the last day, so do this now. Yep. Okay, it's right there, as you can see on the right. You're just going to claim that, and then you'll get like a badge saying something, and then when you go back to Dress to Impress, I'll show it to you. You'll get a reindeer. I'm just showing it to you guys in like a private server because it's just a little bit easier to load. So it's going to be here in the awards, rewards, whatever, and it's this one. Oh, super cute. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Again, this is your last day to claim it, so do it now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!